Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So in last lecture we have finished with our 5th chapter. In that chapter we have learned about ICT and how the ICT is useful in different places. I hope you all have understood the 5th chapter. So today we are going to start with our 6th chapter on page number 32, the use of some important keys on the keyboard. So basically students, in last year in first standard you all have learned about the keyboard, which are the special keys, which are the functions keys, which are the special keys are there, and what is the use of keyboard also. All the things we have learned in the first standard. So again we are going to revise the about keyboard. So shall we start with the lesson? Let's start. Keyboard. We use the keyboard to write or type and to give instruction to the computer. The main use of keyboard is to type, or you can say write, and the another use of keyboard is to give instruction to the computer. You can see here they have shown us a keyboard which comes in a rectangular shape and with the small buttons. The keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and symbols. So with the help of keyboard you can type letters by using alphabetic key. Next you can type numbers by using a numeric keys, and you can type symbols as well. It also has a special keys like this backspace key, spacebar key, enter key, control key, shift key, alt key, home key, page up and down keys, end key, delete key and other function keys. So these are the special keys are available on the keyboard which helps you for typing, and it's help you to give instruction to the computer as well. We will learn in detail about these keys gradually in a higher classes. We have learned about the home, top and bottom row keys. Let's revise the 3 rows and the fingers used to type these keys. So in the first standard we have learned about which is the home row key, top row keys and bottom row keys. So again in this chapter in the second standard we are going to revise this all the things which is there in this chapter, students, that you have learned already in the first standard only. So in this lesson you are just doing a revision about keyboard. So basically keyboard is used for typing. Again another use of keyboard is to give instruction to the computer, and keyboard keys are categorized into 4 parts: alphabetical keys, numerical keys, functional keys and special keys. So these are the keys which helps you to type letters, numbers and symbol. And another special keys are also available which helps you for while typing on a keyboard. So backspace key, spacebar key, enter key, control key, shift key, several keys are available on keyboard. Next thing, in the last year also we have learned which finger is useful to which letters, and which are the top row, which are the home row, which are the letters come into a bottom row keys. So this all thing we have learned in the first standard, and again in the second standard you are going to revise about this. So let's proceed further toward page number 33. We are going to learn about home row keys, top row keys and bottom row keys. You can see here, students, they have shown us a pictures. First is home row keys: A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L and semicolon. The second row in the alphabetic keys are called as a home keys. You can see which finger is placed on which alphabet. A is with little finger, S with the ring finger, D with the middle finger, again F with the index finger. Again here index finger will be initialize both the alphabet F and G. Here also H and J will be typed by index finger, then middle finger, ring finger and little finger. And you can see both thumbs are on the space bar. So this is how you are going to use the keyboard properly. Understood? See, spacebar is useful, very useful while typing, right? When you are writing in a notebook also, after two letters, between the two letters or between the two words, you give a space. So while typing also you need to give a space. So both the thumbs are used to give a space with the help of spacebar. Next we have a top row keys. Okay. So which are the letters are there on the top row? Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. So this is again a top row keys, and again your fingers are initialized or your fingers are preferred to each letters. Again both the thumbs we are going to use for space bar. Next again about bottom keys. You can see Z, X, C, V, B, N, M, comma, full stop and slash. So again your fingers you need to place on the proper words. Again your thumbs will be initialized to the space bar only. So this is we have learned in the last year home row, top row and bottom row keys. I hope again we are revising and you are understanding what I want to see. Next we have special keys. We are going to learn about spacebar key, enter key and backspace key. Okay, can you spot the spacebar key, enter key and the backspace key? It's a simple. So here we have backspace, enter and spacebar. What is the use of backspace key, students? It helps you to correct your mistake while typing. If you have done any mistakes, you can erase the mistake and you can write it properly. Next, with the help of enter will help you to come on new line, or if you want to take your cursor, your writing or typing to the next line. Again about spacebar, it helps you to give a space between two words. Turn your page on page number 34, students. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. You can see the spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. The enter key is the last key of the home row on the keyboard. Again you can see enter key is the last row. I will show you on the long keyboard. Here you can see enter key is the last key of the row. Here we have an enter key. Okay. The backspace key is at the top on the right hand side at the end of the numbers keys. Here you can see where the numbers are finished. We have backspace key. 0 to 9 numbers are there, and after that we have backspace key. Let's learn detail about spacebar key. Spacebar key. We press this key to leave a space between letters or words. As I said, spacebar is useful to leave a space between letters or words. Pressing this key moves the cursor on space forward to the right. When you press the spacebar key, the cursor moves to the right side. वो right side की तरफ आगे जाता है, and वो जो space होता है that is leave or blank. Okay. The blinking line you see on the screen when you type is called the cursor. So while typing in a notepad or MS Word, the blinking cursor is one line is there which all the time blinks. So that blinking line is called as a cursor. I will show you how the line is. See, when you are typing, this line is moves how you give how you are typing. So this line is called as a cursor. Next we have enter key. While typing, we press this enter key to start typing on a new line. The next line, pressing these keys moves the cursor blinking line on the next line. If you want to start typing on a new line or next line, this key is useful, and when you press this key, the blinking cursor will moves to the next line. So space bar is for giving space. Enter key is used to come on next line or new line. Next is backspace key. When we make a typing mistakes, we press this key to erase the letters. While typing, when you are typing with the, I will say when you are writing in the notebook, okay. What is the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. But instead of R, you wrote N. What you will do? You will erase this word letter N and you will write here R. Okay, right? But when you are typing on computer, that time you will not have eraser. So this backspace key is useful as a eraser to erase your mistakes while typing. It also used to erase the space between letters or words. If by mistakes you give a space, it will help you to erase the space as well. Pressing the keys erase the letter or the space to the left of the cursor blinking line. So it erases the letters toward the left side. Means from here to here to the left side, it delete the your mistakes or it erase the mistakes or space. Okay. Now let's proceed further towards page number 35. But before that, I want to revise one thing that we have learned about 3 special keys, that are spacebar, enter key and backspace. Spacebar key is used to leave the space. Enter key is used to come on next line or new line. And then backspace key is used to erase the mistakes or if you want to erase the space. Ask your teacher to open Notepad application for type the following. When the school will start, I will make sure to take your practice on the Notepad. So whatever we have learned today, I hope you all have understood. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can call me or message me. Okay. Revise this lesson, read this lesson once. I will send you the question and answers on your WhatsApp group. So whatever is there in the textbook, page number 35 and 36, complete it. And whatever I have given in the notebook, so kindly completed your computer 4-line notebook and send me on my personal number. Take care of yourself, students. Bye. Thank you.